Ever tried filling a bathtub with a loose plug? You can see the water pouring in, but the level rises so slowly. That's a real-life capacity problem, and it's all about understanding flow rate, how much liquid moves over a set amount of time. The basic math is simple. Total volume equals rate multiplied by time. A tap leaking just 20 milliliters per minute seems tiny, right? But after 1 hour, that's over a liter of water wasted. It adds up quickly. But the real puzzle begins when water is coming in and going out at the same time, like our leaky bathtub. To solve this, you find the net rate. It's simply the input rate minus the output rate. If your tap fills at 10 liters a minute, but the drain leaks 2 liters a minute, your tub is only truly filling at a net rate of 8 liters per minute. This gets even more dramatic when the leak is bigger than the inflow. Imagine a huge 1,000-liter farm tank. A pump adds 3 liters an hour, but a crack leaks 5 liters an hour. The net rate is -2. Despite the pump running, the tank is slowly losing water. These same ideas scale up massively. Farmers calculate irrigation in thousands of liters, kiloliters, to ensure a huge cornfield gets exactly what it needs. City planners use it to figure out how long it takes to fill a 60,000-liter swimming pool, which with a standard garden hose could take over 2 full days. So from a dripping faucet to a vast cattle trough, the principle is the same. It all comes down to tracking the flow, because whether you're measuring in milliliters or megaliters, every single drop counts.